What is up, Z4s? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I am back with yet another dreadlock video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do another style, but this one doesn't even require a retwist. We're gonna learn how to do barrel rolls, and before we even start the intro, I want to say shout out to my boy Zay on TikTok, the official dreadlock ambassador of TikTok. I'm gonna put his page on the screen. Make sure you go follow him, throw him likes, do all that. But me, Alright y'all, so before we even start, I just want to let you know that there's multiple ways to do this. You can do it over, you can do it under, you can have 2 barrel rolls, you can have 3, you can have 4, you can have 5. This video specifically, I'm going to be showing you guys how to barrel roll or barrel twist. I don't even remember what it's called. 2, with just 2. So I'm going to easily just split it down the middle and I'm going to teach you how to do it. All you gotta do if you want it with 4 or 3 or 5 is part it differently, and I might even just make videos on that later just to show you. But like I said, first thing we gonna wanna do, jumping right into it, is part your hair right down the middle. And I know typically for these styling videos, I would tell you guys, hey, make sure you wet your hair. It's gonna help you a lot. But just because this is a no retwist style, I'm gonna show you how it comes out on dry hair. But yeah, hopefully it don't damage my hair. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but you live and learn, right? We'll see. I'm taking the risk for you so you don't gotta damage your hair. But yeah, let's get into it. Ooh, these baby dreads get in. Caught up in a ponytail, okay. Well yeah, since I just got them parted, I'm just gonna get this side, put it up by itself and just let it vibe while we do this other side. The first step to doing barrel twists or barrel rolls or whatever it's called is actually to start off with a 2-strand twist at the base, or like the point where you want it to start at. If you have not seen my 2-strand twist video, I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, but I'm gonna still show you anyway. Like I said, the corner dreads, wherever you want the barrel roll to start from is where you wanna do the 2-strand twist. So I want mine to go kind of like diagonally this way. So I'm just gonna do that. And we're gonna 2-strand twist it. I don't think you have to do it all the way to the bottom, to be completely honest, but I like to do it to the bottom just because I'm kind of a fiend for doing 2-strand twists. But yeah, do what you want to do. Next, you're gonna want to make a part. Like I said, I want my twist to go this way, so all we're gonna do is lay it down that way and separate the top from the bottom. With a barrel twist, all you're really doing is wrapping dreads around this one twist the whole way back. So I'm gonna put it down where I want it to be at, and then we're gonna separate these dreads from the top and the bottom. And it looks just about even, the amount of dreads that is, but I'm gonna still put a few from the back right here just so they come out nicely. And like I said, bro, there's many ways to do this. You could do it above and you could do it under. I'm gonna do it from above just because I think it looks good. And what I mean by that is, when you get barrel twists, like I said, you're gonna separate it from the top and the bottom. It don't matter where you start. You can start at the bottom, you can start at the top. For this one, I'm starting at the top. So you're gonna wanna basically, let me separate that a little better. You're gonna basically wanna take the dread that's on top and wrap it around that 2-strand twist over the top of it, like that. Just one time, you gotta twist it around. And then you get the one on the bottom and you do the same thing. Just one wrap. One on the top, one wrap. It's just that simple, guys. Like, you literally getting it and you twisting dreads around the twist. Why it's called barrel twist, I have no idea. If somebody knows, please enlighten me. But as y'all can see, I'm just continuing that pattern of taking one from the bottom part and one from the top part and alternating it. Trying to make sure I get the closest ones to the front of my head so it don't like look dumb. And I've been doing my hair like this for a while now, like barrel twisting it, so I'm a little bit quick with it. But as you can see, it's just a real basic technique. Like, you don't need to know how to braid for this. The most you need to know is how to 2-strand twist, and barely even that, just because it's not the most important part of this whole process, to be completely fair. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, it's starting to form a nice little braid as I'm coming up on the last few dreads that I have to be twisted. Y'all can see I'm just trying to move it further back down the twist so there's not too many bumps. A lot of people do barrel twists and they'll be like big on one part. That's just because you're not moving with the dread. Like, The further back on your head you want, the further back on your head you're going, the further back on the twist you should be wrapping them around type shit. So I'm just trying to make sure I do that, make it look all even, not like some sort of Dragon Ball Z character. And yeah, man, we're just gonna keep continuing to do that all the way until we're down. I might speed it up for y'all. As we come up on this last twist right here, I'm putting it on the back. Ooh. And I'm gonna try to put it down as tightly as I possibly can. And yeah, man, and I'm sweating. Do y'all see this? This is crazy. It's hot in here. But yeah, as you come up on the last one, just make sure you're still holding it nice and firmly. And I like to put goddamn rubber band on the end just so it don't come out or do nothing dumb. Cause dreads like doing that. And the rubber band broke. That's real cool. I'm just gonna take this one from the other side because I'm done now. And I'm gonna do that for y'all real quick. So as y'all can see, we got one barrel twist on this left side right there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side. I might do a time lapse for y'all just to see, but we shall see in the next clip. I'm about to go take a thumbnail picture. All right, y'all, as you guys can see, we are done with the style. We did it on both sides. And it came out pretty clean, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I haven't done these barrel twists in like, I wanna say a year, bro. Like, I haven't done too many styles in my hair in such a long time. All I really need now is like a nice little brush down, maybe a little fade, line up. But yeah, man, this is the type of style you could do any day of the week. It didn't take me very long at all. It might have been like 10 minutes in total. That's just because I'm recording the video. So if you ever just feeling bummy, you want to throw your hair in the style, you could go ahead and do the barrel twist. And the best part about it is your dreads don't even have to be that long to do them. I'll be honest, it is easier to do when it's long just because you got more to like, you know what I'm saying, grab type shit. But other than that, man, this is a great style just to have, bro. You about to go hoop, you about to need to tie your hair up out the way, you feel, or you just feel like switching it up, bro. I recommend this hairstyle completely. I might rock this for like a day, I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna lie and say like a week, but I'm finna come back with a video tomorrow, and I'm not finna have these. But that being said, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much for supporting me coming back to YouTube, man. Hey, man, if y'all been on my TikTok too, I just had a TikTok hit 500,000 views. This shit is crazy, man. I can't do it without y'all. Thank you, Z4, so much. I love you guys. Razzaq.